do we have going on today? Well, today I'd like to share with you my tasting notes worksheet. What it is, okay, it's something that's going to help you appreciate, help you to understand, and enjoy your spirits more. But first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Let me do my homework first. Hey, there's 5 things you can really do to help this channel out. Number 1, hit that subscribe button. You wouldn't believe how much that helps. And if you did that, you might as well hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Share us with your friends. Give us that thumbs up, and please leave a comment, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Alright, so now let's get started. So what is a tasting notes worksheet? Well, I kind of come up with this worksheet. Bourbons and whiskeys and other spirits, they're very complex taste, and unless you have one outstanding palate, sometimes it's hard to pick out the different flavors and all that stuff that you're actually getting. I mean, yeah, you taste, you say, well, that's good, but we want to know a little bit, what parts of it do you really like? So the way it works is, okay, there you got 3 categories: aroma or the nose, taste, and the finish. Okay, and I feel, once you're taking a nose of it, and then you look at and listen, yes, I can smell that, or no, I don't smell that. And the same thing with the taste. Yes, that's what I'm tasting, or no, that's not what I'm tasting. Same thing with the finish. I just feel that it will help you make better spirits, and that's what we're all after, right? Okay, so what we'll do is I got me my Angel's Envy here that I've made, and that's what we're going to do. We'll show you how to use this. Okay. So, all right, let me pour. And this is the way I like bourbon, on ice. Sometimes I think maybe tasting, you should taste it neat, but I just love it on ice. I love that little bit of water that gets in it. That's just me. Okay, so the first thing is, I need a pen. Alright, so the aroma first. And they say that if you take a nose in with your mouth open on one side, that you can really open your smell for that. Oh, so what do I smell? Okay. I don't smell any berries. Biscuit? No, I ain't really getting biscuit. The next on the list is caramel. And if I'm missing something on this list, hey, please let me know. I'll add it to the list. Yeah, I'm getting some caramel aroma to that. So I'm going to check that off. And I'm going to put light. Okay, and what this will also help you do is, if you taste it in the early, when it's younger, put a date on this up here, and then you can save it for later, then compare your notes from one time to the next. Okay. Floral? No. Fresh oak? No. Fruitiness? No. Honey? Light on the honey. Let's taste a little bit of honey. Leather? No. Spicy? No. No. Tea? Coffee, yeah. And I do smell vanilla. Okay. Let's move on to taste. This is the best part, right? Damn, that's good. I'm gonna say, okay, almond no, berries no, butterscotch, caramel. I taste caramel. Chocolate, citrus, no. Corn, I taste corn. Dried fruit. No. It does have a gentle bite. I taste a honey taste. You know, just by seeing it written down, I think it makes it so much easier for my brain to taste it. Okay. I do have an oak taste and a fresh oak taste. Of course, peppery. Plum. Do you have some plum? No. Maybe a rye toast? Yes, I'm getting a little bit of rye toast. Definitely smoky. And I'm getting a sweet taste. And vanilla. And wood char. It has a nice burn. But I'm not getting any coffee at all. No coffee. Okay, so that's a taste, and there is other tastes, and you can leave notes in here. Alright, so to finish on it. Alright. Yes, I just get an impression of a balanced finish, and it's clean. Next one is creamy. I wouldn't say creamy, but crisp, yes. Ease for sipping, 100%. And does it fill the mouth? No. It has a mellow, mild finish, very pleasant. And the last one I'm going to say is woody. You know, that's a good bourbon though. And what we can do, like I said before, you know, you can evaluate your bourbon or your whiskeys or whatever, you know, at a certain time, and then maybe let it age some more, and you try it again, okay? And then you can figure out what you need to do on your next one. So that you can enjoy it more to make a better product, okay? Alright. So, I hope this helps. I hope it helps. It helped me. So, what I'm going to do is if you want a copy of this, and maybe you can add to it, make it a little bit better for yourself, just send me an email to stillworksandbrewing@gmail.com, and I'll be glad to send you a copy. But in the email, it's just for the fun for me. Just put where you're from. Like if you're in the States, just what state. I don't want addresses. But if you're from North Carolina, just put in there North Carolina or NC. And if you're from other parts of the world, just what country you're from. I just think it would be a lot of fun for me, just to see where everything goes and comes about. All right, I got to finish this. This is a tough job, you know. So I hope, like I said before, I hope this helps somebody. All right, like I said, it did help me. That is good. All right. So I guess the last thing that I have to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. And just a reminder, that's Stillworks and Brewing at gmail.com. It's all one word, all lowercase. All right, cheers.